Hello, my name is Dr. Prasanata Batas. I'm a gynecologist in Texas Health Havens Methodist Hospital, and my special role as a gynecologist to choose a topic of sexually transmitted diseases such as gonorrhea, chlamydia, and syphilis, which are more common topic in sexually active men and women. I'm recently handling this case in the hospital setting, so I will be more focused and familiar with the gonorrhea infection. As a sexually transmitted disease are the infection which are transferred from one person to another person through a sexual intercontact. Likewise, the main cause of this infection is like bacteria, virus, and the parasite. It can be transmitted through the unprotected vaginal sex, oral sex, or anal sex without with someone who has already the sexual diseases. And depending on the specific topic, sexual transmitted disease can also transmit it to the baby if the sexual trans woman breastfeed her baby, and it can also be transmitted through the sharing the needles too. And in many cases, sexual transmitted diseases in women do not cause a specific symptom. Gonorrhea is a bacterial infection which causes causative agent in Neisseria gonorrhea. And the common sign and symptoms are not seen in the early age, but they are seen in the later phase. Like common sign and symptoms which are my patient has experienced is like frequent urinating and vaginal itching, alloys vaginal discharge, burning sensations while urinating, and soiling, itching, redness of genital area, sore throat, and arthritis. Arthritis means the painful inflammation of the joint. And the usually prescribed treatment for gonorrhea in my patient is especially like medicine. Like there we can provide two different ways of antibiotic. One is injection form and one is the pills. Those medicines should be taken 7 days, as 7 days completely in the same schedule, and should not be abruptly discontinued because the infection stays in the body until the patient completes the antibiotic. This disease can be transferred to the patient's sex partner, so patient's sex partner should also be treated with the medicine earlier phase. And sex is strictly prohibited until the medication does not have has been completely totally. The patient should get tested again in 3 months to make sure infection is gone. The patient profile name is removed due to the privacy policy of the hospital. My patient is like 28 years, is African American, and belongs to the middle class family. She has a past medical history like urinary tract infection and depression. She came to the hospital due to the above symptoms, and the doctor prescribed her to urine culture test and swab sample of an affected area, and later she was diagnosed with the gonorrhea disease, and she has provided with the antibiotic medication like penicillin, doxycycline, and ciprofloxacin. If gonorrhea is left untreated, they can suffer from different pelvic inflammatory disease, and there is a high risk of the infertility for the woman and ectopic pregnancy. So we instructed her to follow up and get the treatment in the proper way. And patient education have been we provide the patient education about these over all kind of complication while I have mentioned above. My recommendation towards the health education for my patient of gonorrhea is always using a new male and female condom every time while you have a vaginal or anal oral sex, or it has been usually seen in the people who are multiple sex partner or more infected for sexually transmitted disease like gonorrhea. And pregnant women who have gonorrhea already can cause the health problems like for the infant from conjunctivitis to pneumonia. It is better to test the sexually transmitted disease during the prenatal period. Will help that find out the disease earlier and can help the infant to get to not to get infected. I would like to conduct different sexual health education program and encourage the screening for sexually transmitted infection, especially in the young men and the women. The person who is looking for the sexual trans disease cure should receive a friendly environment so that they can share their own problem without hesitation. And overall, the best treatment should be provided and medicine to treat the condition in the early phase and can live a healthy life. Thank you.